Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kavita Sarkar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, Kolkata 145. In the last lecture, I have discussed Poisson distribution, long questions answers, binomial approximation to Poisson distribution. In this lecture, I am going to discuss continuous distribution, PMF, and properties, mean and variance. What is continuous random variable? If a random variable x takes uncountably infinite number, then it is called continuous random variable. What is probability density function? Shortly, PDF. Let us take a small interval of length dx. Suppose fx is a continuous function such that fx dx represents the probability that x falls in this interval. Here x minus half of dx and x plus half of dx makes the small interval with length dx, and this area is fx dx. Now probability of x less equals to x plus half of dx greater equals to x minus half of dx equals to fx dx. Fx dx is the area under the curve y equal to fx, the x-axis, and the coordinates x minus half of dx and x plus half of dx. The function fx is called probability density function or PDF if it satisfies the following conditions. Number 1, fx greater equals to 0 for all x. Number 2, minus infinity to infinity fx dx equals to 1. Probability of x less equals to b greater equals to a is a to b fx dx. Expectation or mean of a continuous random variable. Let x be a continuous random variable, then expectation of x is given by expectation of x equals to minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. Variance of continuous random variable. Variance of x equals to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Expectation of x square is integration minus infinity to infinity x square fx dx. Example, a random variable x has the density function fx equals to x when x less than 1 greater than 0, fx equals to half when x less than 2 greater than 1. Find the mean of x. Mean is expectation of x, which is integration minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. Now look, here the intervals are given as 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Now let us break minus infinity to infinity as minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. But minus infinity to 0, there is no functional value, then no need to write. And 2 to infinity also no functional value, then no need to write. Therefore, let us write the interval 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1, x, fx. In this interval, fx value is x. So, x into x dx plus the interval 1 to 2, so integration 1 to 2 x and fx is half in this interval, so x into half dx. Now let's do the integration and get the result. The probability density function of a random variable x is fx equals to k into 2x minus 1 when x less equals to 2 greater equals to 0, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Find the value of k. So fx will be PDF if minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. Now let us break this interval minus infinity to 0, 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. And in the question it has been given that 0 to 2 the functional value is k into 2x minus 1. So in this case let us write the function as k into 2x minus 1. In other intervals, the functional value is 0. So let us take 0 from minus infinity to 0 and 2 to infinity. Therefore, we have to find the integration only the middle part 0 to 2 k 2x minus 1 dx, and solving that integration we get the value of k as half. Next question, a random variable x has the PDF fx equals to 3x when x less than 1 greater than 0, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Find probability of 2x plus 3 greater than 2. Now let us write this 2x plus 3 greater than 2 as x greater than minus half. Then probability of x greater than minus half is minus half to infinity fx dx. We can break this interval from minus half to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to infinity. Minus half to 0 the functional value is 0, 0 to 1 the functional value is 3x and 1 to infinity the functional value is 0. Now find the integration and get the value 3 by 2. Next question, show that fx is a probability density function of a random variable x where fx equals to modulus x where x less than 1 greater than minus 1 and fx is 0 otherwise. This question has appeared in Markout semester exam 2006-2014. Hence, fx equals to minus x when x less than 0 greater than minus 1, fx equals to x when x less than 1 greater than 0, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Work out this problem. Question number 1. Show that fx equals to x, x less than 1 greater than 0, fx equals to k minus x when x less than 2 greater than 1, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Is a density function for a suitable value of k. Calculate probability for x less than half greater than 1/3. This question also appeared in Markout semester exam 2005-2006. Question number 2. A random variable x has the following PDF. Fx equals to cx where x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. Fx equals to 0 otherwise. Find C. Number 2. Find probability when x less equals to half greater equals to 0. This question has appeared in Markout exam 2009. Next question, the radius of a circle has distribution given by the PDF fx equals to 1 when x less than 2 greater than 1, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Question number 1, find the mean. Question number 2, find the variance. This question has appeared in Markout semester exam 2011. Question number 4, the length of life of a tire follows continuous distribution. Fx equals to k by x cube when x less equals to 1500 greater equals to 1000, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Find k and the probability that a randomly selected tire would function for at least 1200 hours. This question has appeared in Markout semester exam 2005. Next question, a variable x has the following density function fx equals to x by 2 when x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0, fx equals to half when x less equals to 2 greater than 1, fx equals to half of 3 minus x when x less equals to 3 greater than 2. Find the mean and variance of x. This question has appeared in Markout Semester Exam 2002. Question number 6. The probability density of a continuous distribution is given by fx equals to 3 by 4x into 2 minus x when x less than 2 greater than 0. This question has appeared in Markout 2004, 2007, 2008 and 2009. Here you have to find mean and variance. Question number 7. A variable x has the following density function fx equals to k when x less than 2 greater than minus 2, fx equals to 0 otherwise. Question number 1. Determine the constant k. Question number 2. What is the value of probability modulus x greater than 1? This question has appeared in Markout Semester Exam 2004. Here, let us discuss about this probability of modulus x greater than 1. Let us try to understand what is modulus x greater than 1. We can write x greater than 1 and minus x greater than 1. Minus x greater than 1 can be written as x less than minus 1, just multiplying by minus sign. Now, let us draw it in the number line. Look here, this is x equals to 1 and this point is x equals to minus 1. So the right part of 1 is x greater than 1 and the left part of minus 1 is x less than minus 1. Remaining the middle part is from minus 1 to 1. Now according to the second property of the probability density function of a continuous random variable, we have minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. So the whole probability is 1. Now we can write in this way, probability of this left part, probability of x less than minus 1 plus probability of this middle part, that is from minus 1 to 1, and then the right part, that is probability of x greater than 1. The whole is 1. Now if we keep these two terms together, then it is actually what is given in the question, probability of modulus x greater than 1, which is equals to 1 minus this part. This part is integration minus 1 to 1 fx dx. Now you work out this problem yourself. Next lecture on continuous distribution and distribution function.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/